This is not a drill, I repeat, this is not a drill, a Great Depression war has been started, the sound will be started soon. The following message has been transmitted to Albertland. A Great Depression war has been started on February and March. Please listen for safety instructions. If you want more information, please listen to radio. So here are the safety instructions. Close and lock every doors and windows. Don't make any noises. If they come to your house, find the weapons in your house, and try to fight it back. If you don't have it, try to run and...
There is nothing happening right now, so come walk outside. Everything is fine now. Everything is normal, so come outside.
Hide. Stay tuned in this channel.
Please, whatever you do not listen to them. Please come outside and join us.
So we will return to this currently program right now.